Good morning, Mr. Richard, and hello everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Sunday, 17th of December,
Oh,
halfway through the December, and just in a blink of a few blinks of an eye, it's going to
yeah.
be 2024.
Next week there's a Christmas. Yeah, I think the Christmas fever coming everywhere now, and if we can go outside, we can feel a little cold from the weather of the Christmas. Yeah, and Mr. Nicholas, how you feel this day about in crypto and about in the fever in
Actually,
Singapore?
yeah, actually, over here in Singapore, a couple of my close friends. Usually, you don't hear them talking about crypto. You don't hear them talking about Bitcoin. You don't hear them talking about anything. And all of a
Yeah,
sudden, out of during a dinner, they were like, "Wow, I know this Bitcoin is so high now." Of course, over here they look at in Singapore dollars. In Singapore dollars, it's 60 over thousand, something like that. Yeah. So
yeah,
of course, when you and I trade, we look at the price in US dollar, right? Yeah. So
yeah,
so when they mention things discuss things in Singapore dollar, it sounds really like wow, $60,000. Yeah. So anyway, this friend of mine, he said, "Oh, just buy some and keep it there," you know. Yeah.
yeah,
So a lot of them who are not really exactly active in the crypto, they usually what they the kind of mindset they adopt is that they just buy and keep, buy and put it there, buy and hold. Yeah. So, and I believe that is also part of the reason why when the price moves to a certain level, it holds there and it doesn't really go further up quickly. It just holds there. Yeah. So right now the price of Bitcoin is about what? Last night I looked at it, 43. Was it 42,000 or something? Yeah. So it has been there consistently there between 42 to 44 range for quite a couple of weeks. Yeah. So right now, what Mr. Richard shared in the screen is that 42,400 and something. Yeah. And ETH, well, ETH is doing good. So I hope ETH will continue to move well. Yeah, because when during their high time, I bought some ETH, at I think it was 2000.
fine.
Let me wait for this thing to load. Yeah, I think it was 2009 that I bought some.
2009.
So, gamate ETH, please. Yeah, but then uh, uh, besides that, things are in general looking good on a good
Yeah,
side. Yeah, you look at the last 1 week, the price movement of most of the alternative coins, like you see Shiba, you see Tron, you see Solana, you see Dogecoin. Dogecoin is like what? They're
which
still low,
one?
but yeah. Anyway, a lot of
Which one?
except for BNB is in the red. Yeah,
Yeah.
XR, is that
Let's
XRP?
see. From 7 day, if it's compared with the last week.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, 7 days.
we yeah
So I think the
seven.
price move in the last few days, right? But
Yeah.
this one is the 2 weeks price, is it?
Yeah, this is 7 days. If compared with last week is drop Bitcoin drop 3.12%. Yeah,
Mm,
and
right.
we we expect it's had a little bit uh, correction. Yeah, with the price when the Christmas fever is coming and it needs a little bit correction and we also see some news in it's look like some technical news in BTC. That means some developer they want to split the chain split because he submit the proposal that that one to say that if BTC go together with the ERC20, like making the token similar with ETS, it will not good and it will make spam for the network. So he intend to remove the ERC20 in the network, and that's just a proposal, and it may make the community it's make it look like sturdy air, and some people they don't like and some minor they don't like because if they follow the proposal, all the ERC20 will be removed, and uh, and it maybe have a split chain in the future. It look like the Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Diamond. Yeah, so that's a little bit grammar in the BTC. Yeah, and we also can see some news, some good news from SEC because SEC beat up some of the application to submit for the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Yeah, meet up for the way to be approved Bitcoin Spot ETF in 2024. That's really good news. Um, but I also see some news from Coinbase still want to sue SEC because SEC don't have the guideline for the crypto. Like last time, we also said that similar that if you go over speed and be caught by the police, but the police cannot explain you how what is the maximum speed uh, to allow. Yeah, it look like this situation from the SEC always sue some of the crypto company, but they don't have any explain that why. Yeah, that is the thing, the reason why the Coinbase want to make a lawsuit with the SEC. Yeah. Some of the information next we hope that and next year with the president election it may change a little bit in the lawsuit because nowadays we also feel that SEC want to control, want to manipulate, uh, 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 want to don't push up the market in crypto because the we also don't know the reason why. But inside the SEC, we see that some of the people working in SEC also support for the crypto, but that's not enough. That's why we let's see in the next year because next year the chairs at SEC chair may change, so it will make a good move for the crypto for the BTC. Okay, back to our slide, back to our topic today. Before we go further with the slide, let's go to the slide from Mr. Nicholas. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, could you share to me AI toy for Christmas
Yeah, yeah,
topic?
right. So just I think it was a couple of months back or last month, I was on this Twitter because I'm on. Okay, now we call it X, right? So I've been on X pretty often right now. Yeah. So but before that, when it was Twitter, I kind of hardly or seldom log into my account. But Mr. Elon Musk, he last month he mentioned, or rather he announced the launch of a Grok. Grok is it's an AI toy, right? So this AI toy basically by this company called Curio or Curio. Maybe should pronounce it as
Curio.
Curio. Yeah. So Curio, they have a new line of children's toys that use generative AI to interact. And okay, well, why I put up this article is because remember, Mr. Richard, remember there was a time when Google Assistant was new, and then a lot of
Yeah.
people bought this small little device and put at home, and then start to ask Google a lot of questions, and then they'll answer from
Yeah.
they'll answer. So
Yeah.
now the world is moving into something like that, but in the form of toys. Like, okay, initially when we think of AI toys, AI robots, and all, we thought of those like iRobot, those plastic looking, metal looking head.
Yeah.
But this one comes in the form of soft toy. in a,
Yeah.
it looks cute, it looks whatever, but it just doesn't look like an AI toy to me. But these are toys are designed for children between 3 to 12. But they say, oh, adults can also play with it. Yeah, of course, because it's AI. Yeah, so by integrating AI into toys, these toys, they can have full-on conversation, or rather, human can have conversation with toys. So
Yeah.
there are three versions of it. One of them they are named as Grok. One of them they are named as Gabo. One of them
Yeah.
is named as Gram.
Grand.
Yeah. So yeah. So of course, this one the intention is to help children explore their imagination, communication skills, speaking skill, listening skill, whatever it is. Of course, I think it was Grimace, who is actually Mr. Musk's ex-girlfriend. They both
Yeah.
have three children together. Yeah, but I think she was the voice of this group as well. Yeah, so I think either her or the CEO of the company, whichever, they were
Mm.
saying, "Oh, we want children to stay away from the screen, stay away from
Yeah.
iPad screens, stay away from computer screens, or more importantly, mobile phone screen, because children has
Yeah.
been watching too much videos, watching too much whatever on screen. They want these children to start communicating with AI toys." What's the difference,
Yeah.
man? It's only just AI toys doesn't have one big screen on the face. Yeah, but the thing is that uh, that's the way they market it, and of course, if you look at it, I think this AI toy, how would I view it? I think I will view it as something new, and probably the trend will last for the next 2 years, 3 years. Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
after that they will come out with something new. You never
Yeah.
know.
It look like the rocket. Yeah. When I say it look like the rocket.
Yeah, I think it is designed just like a rocket, or maybe a squid or octopus, something like that. Because
Yeah.
this one has four legs, right? Then two hands
Yeah.
and four legs. Yeah, so they're supposed to have two more. Don't know where they
Yeah.
are.
Yeah, but if it can talk and it can speak, make a conversation like a human, yeah, it's really good, and it's really a good toy for children to practice to share their story. And I just wonder how it can connect to the internet, or it's work offline, or it still need to work online. Yeah, it look like the
Prob-
Google.
yeah,
Uh,
probably have to be online, right? Because
yeah,
they probably build in the Wi-Fi and things like that to connect to the internet
yeah,
at home. Yeah,
yeah. It's like the Google Talk, and it's like your iPhone, your phone, and it needs some power sock, and it may run on the battery. Yeah, yeah, something
yeah.
like that. And a lot of concern need to think about how the safety of the toy for children. Yeah. Okay. Next slide, Mr. Nicholas. Could you
Okay.
share something about the cross-border
Oh yeah,
ECN?
talking about this ECNY thing. So something to talk about for the AI toy earlier. So why I put it up is because I was imagining now they are making everything. They are integrating AI into toys. Who knows? They'll be integrating payment into all these devices. Just tell
Yeah,
the assistant, oh, can you help me to pay for this thing, pay for this bill, or pay for that bill? Oh, then they start to talk to the AI toy. Oh, can you help me book an appointment? Blah blah blah. So things like
yeah,
this could be happening. Help me pay, help me transfer
yeah,
some money. You never know.
yeah,
Yeah. Anyway, now coming to this cross-border ECNY, uh, electronic yuan. Yeah. So MAS, which is Monetary Authority of Singapore, they have announced a series of bilateral initiatives with China. So I put this map so that it gives everyone a better picture because there are bound to be people out there who will still be thinking, oh, Singapore is part of China. Singapore is just next to China, but Singapore is very far away from China. Yeah, we're in Southeast Asia at the southern tip. We are surrounded by Malaysia and Indonesia, and the one in green is China, and the one in orange dot, just orange small dot there, that's Singapore. Yeah. So this pilot uh, will this pilot initiative will allow travelers from both countries to use the ECNY, digital yuan, for
yeah,
tourism spending in Singapore and China. Yeah, basically they have an understanding so that so if you are from China, you come here, uh, you can use your digital yuan to pay for whatever. And then if for Singaporeans or who are going to China, you can actually use it as well over in China. So this will enhance convenience for travelers and making purchases during their overseas travel. Yeah. Also, this side story, there is a planned launch of ETF links between Singapore Exchange and Shanghai Stock Exchange. So, and
yeah,
also there are increased collaboration between Singapore Exchange and Guangzhou Futures Exchange. So I think the gears are kicking in quite fast right now. So what Singapore probably is intending to do is to work closely with China in terms of all, because China is like they are far ahead in so many things. In order for Singapore not to lag behind, I think it's good that Singapore can work with them and explore various other opportunities of collaboration so that we can keep in pace with China's speed in terms of
yeah.
digital currency, in terms of a lot of tech developments, so that we can keep with their speed. Yeah. What do you think, Mr. Richard?
Yeah, it's really, really good news when we know that the MAS they announced some of the cross-border uh, uh, cross-border transaction uh, with the fiat. Yeah. And now in the future, maybe Singapore will apply some of the new CBDC or
Yeah.
some way to do the transaction overseas easily. Nowadays, I also Singapore look like the financial hub. Uh, in Singapore, you can make a payment transfer uh, to most of the country around the world easily than in the other country. Like if you are in China, it's impossible for you to transfer the money outside China. Yeah, that is the way, and the way China they collaborate with Singapore want to make some of the cross-border payment is also the way. It's a good way, good news. And in the future, crypto if crypto can be applied, it will be good because I also see hear some news of the some of the third world country, they want to adopt Bitcoin crypto because they don't really rely on the US dollar. And now it's a time for the country like in Africa, in South America. Yeah, not only El Salvador, we also can see some country like Brazil, Colombia, some country in Africa. Yeah, I also forget the name. They also meet up and they want have a lunch with the crypto. Yeah, we also back to our slide. It's very nice about the uh, uh, in the Christmas fever, yeah, we see there's a dog in the Christmas custom, yeah, um, and the title the seeking a new crypto opportunity, a new alternative for the who needs the Bitcoin, BTC, and let's see the article, yeah. In the article, we also can see um, it say it say that investors seeking the finance cryptocurrency investment are turning repair Satoshi as the best coin to invest. That means beside of the Bitcoin, people can invest in the altcoin. Yeah, what's happened with the current Bitcoin? The US SEC meet the Fidelity investment to discuss the detail on the spot Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, that is very good news because SEC they want now they want to step by step to be approved some company investment company for the sports because ETF is maybe the big boom in the future, maybe in the January 10, yeah, next month. Yeah, let's see how. Meanwhile, the recent activity of the other coin, like the Dogecoin and newcomer repair Satoshi is something we also don't know why. And let's see Bitcoin price prediction. Yeah, with the Bitcoin price prediction, we see this the value of the Bitcoin today is 42,400 and it rose to nearly 44,000 and then we see the prediction about 48,500 by the end of the years. Yeah, we think so. We think so because I still remember last live stream. I also shared that maybe in this December the price may be around 43,000. I remember previous live stream the BTC uh the last 2 weeks the price of the Bitcoin below 40,000 now is around 43,000 is exactly like our expectation and in this prediction the price around 48,500 is also good. But some the other prediction that the price may need to 42,200 by the middle of December. Yeah, like today it is the middle of December. It's dropped to 42,400. Yeah, it's nearly correct. Yeah, with the other altcoin like Dogecoin, we also don't know much about this meme coin. But when we see the coin is around now, the value is around 10 cent. The Dogecoin, where's it? We also see the SIBA, but we don't know where's the Dogecoin. Uh, don't know, but yeah, here it's around 10 cent. Those coin, yeah, it's around 10 cent. And nowadays uh, there are so many meme coin in the market. Yeah, it's really hard if you keep follow up with some trend. Some people follow up with the trend and they can make a nice profit like the upcoming the bond the BONK. I also don't know BONK is a new one. Have been list on the Binance, yeah, and it's based on the Solana network, yeah. Some that is some of the news one, and the first slide, the slide I also want to share with you in this morning is about which asset cannot be depreciated. um, uh, that's this is some of the article I also thinking is also good for us to have a look, because when we see here with asset cannot be depreciated, um, we we go through and we hear that with some of the asset like car, like um, like the company, like the tangible asset, it can be deep depreciated, because we need to maintain it, and in the crypto and in the stock and in some of the other thing, it cannot be depreciated, yeah. um, some example, similarly car can depreciated for similar reason. Additional machinery, research, property improvement, and research and development costs. Yeah. So what I said cannot depreciate over time. Well, the primary answer to this question, things like land and natural resource, as well as intangible assets like investment resource and financial tools. Moreover, these are things cannot be eventual outlive their usefulness, because they are not subject to traditional depreciation reality. Yeah, land is non-depreciated, de- depreciable, because the withhold indefinite use. Yeah. Well, in conclusion, we see that our investment tool, financial tool, like stock and bond, cannot depreciate within traditional account, just within traditional accounting. So in the future, with our investment, the thing that it cannot depreciate it, uh, cannot be depreciated. So we hope that when we do investment, we in the especially in crypto, we should think much thinking much, and hope that the value is maybe increase in our near future. Is depend on um, our investment. Yeah, I think that in the coin market cap news, we also see a lot of news based on. It's also shared to us some of the Shiba Inu Senator Elizabeth Warren, one of the people always to the big decide crypto. Yeah, she the one have the bad view in crypto, and want to say that the crypto will be collapse and destroyed. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah, of course the coin have to first. Yeah,
Yeah.
we always think see the other face and look ourselves. Yeah, and we hope that in near future, like you may remember Arthur Hayer, one of the famous his people always say that yeah, I still remember the photo, he taking the photo with uh, some of the big exchange founder. like CG and the other one in Singapore. His because his um, because it's hard to see him in the dark, so people always use the photo naming him. Yeah, it's hard to see. And now he
Okay.
said that he's a founder of the Big Max, and he said that Bitcoin may could reach 1 million in 2024. Yeah, yeah. Attribute this potential to anticipated change in the Federal Reserve monetary policy. Yeah. Let's see how, because we don't know, and a lot of people want to say anything. Yeah, say Bitcoin can go down, or Bitcoin can go up, can hit 1 million, and or it can go down to 40,000 or 20,000. Yeah. But we see follow up with the trend, follow up with the news, and expect the price can reach how much, and we hope that it's uh, the season coming. And I also think that the Bitcoin may reach around, if it go up in uptrend, it can reach 48,000. Yeah. And in next year, to see how the policy, how's the government regulation, so how it can fly. Yeah, let's wait. We still have uh, 3 week 3 week for the SEC. They make a decision approve for the um, Bitcoin spot ETF. At this time, the price may go up. Yeah, above 50,000. I also expect like that, above 50,000. It may reach 30. It may reach 80,000. Yeah, it may reach that's range. Yeah, reach the new ATH. Yeah, we hope that, and with all the altcoin, after Bitcoin go up, all the altcoin will follow. I also see at some of the news, investor, they also thinking about the SOL, because it's maybe the second ETS. Yeah, because the price, I still remember the price go up. As It may go up when the BTC around 30,000, the price is around 40 or 50,000. Now is 74,000. Yeah, it's go up a lot. Yeah, we still have a look on it. Yeah, and Mr. Nicholas, before we complete our live stream this morning, do you have any share to
Right.
our audience?
Yeah. Okay, just gentle reminder that do read up on the information available, do your own due diligence if you are investing in some coins or tokens that you are not familiar with. And everything we share here is just for information, and we are not giving you advices. So we
Yeah,
still hope that you make some money. Of course,
yeah.
in the Bitcoin price right now, uh, and the kind of trend that is moving towards, I hope we can all make some money together. We'll see you again
Yeah,
in our next stream, and have a good week.
yeah. See you again on